Softail Deuce. It's a 2000 model, originally an 88 cube, carby, old school thing. This thing's my old man's. We're going to be fixing it up for him, doing a few things, rear fender, seat, pipes, putting apes on it, air ride, and hopefully set of wheels. We'll see how far his budget can stretch. But yeah, so we finally got something to tinker on, and this is going to be good. So stay tuned for a little build series on it. Softail Deuce. It's hard because it's a bit overcast at the moment, but look at the color. This really deep purple, beautiful color, but it pops in the sun, so hopefully the sun will come out again shortly. But yeah, we're going to take it on a quick little ride, a little bit of a Motovlog, and see how it goes. Now, I will say that there is a real foul smell here. I reckon there's a dead animal here. I'm just in the local industrial estate here, and I pulled up and there is 500 flies and a real bad smell. So I'm going to get out of here. But yeah, this thing's carby, circa pull to choke. Let it warm up a little bit and we'll get out of here.
One eternity later.
I love this thing, man. I've been riding it for a couple of months now, maybe 2 months maybe, and yeah, been riding it around, enjoying it. It's pretty good for an old school carby bike, but yeah, I think it's got a 95 cube kit put through it. It's quite peppy. I don't think it's an 88. But yeah, enjoy the noises. Twin cam. Beautiful out here. Hopefully you're not getting too much wind noise through the helmet. Yeah, a bit overcast. Yeah, so this is one of two of my old man's bikes. He's got this one he's had for a few years. Pretty sure it was his first Harley. And just recently he picked up a 2019 Street Glide Special. Awesome bike. Hopefully I can do a video on that in the future. Might do some tinkering with that too if he'll let me. But yeah, so far it's been really good. He's had his bike obviously, so he doesn't need this one. And he's just been letting me ride it around. Done a few rides. One with the big group, there was about 60 of us. I promised to take you guys on the next one because it was awesome. But it was a new group of people. I'd only known a couple of them, so I didn't want to bring a camera and stick it in front of them, and you know, some people might get a little bit funny about that. Oh, look at this. I'm pretty sure it's a McLaren. There, one day. For now, this. This is a cool little area, Broughton Pass. Gotta go slow though. One vehicle bridge. Don't look down there. It's really nice. Bit of a hairpin here. Back to first for this one. Oh, stay on your side. I like the noise of these pipes. They're as you've seen in the little B-roll, they're a Screaming Eagle. They sound good. They just, I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but they're a little bit quiet. I prefer the like the V&H or the Freedom big radius pipes, 2 into 2s. That's probably what we're going to go on this. Turn down here and I'll do a U-turn. Oh, there's a vet, C8 vet. That's a different colour. See if I can get up behind him. C8 Ray. Nice cars. Nice place to sit out here. Oh yeah, I'm probably going to turn around up here. On the gravel. Yeah, I don't know, tell me if you agree. I don't think it's an 88 anymore. So we haven't modified this bike at all since my old man bought it, but yeah. I know a couple of guys at the local Harley dealership, and they took it for a ride and they agreed it's not an 88 anymore. But you can't confirm, I'm sure, until you pull it apart. Nonetheless, it goes alright. I enjoy it, he enjoyed it, but he's out in the bush, so he wanted something with a bit of wind protection. So Street Glide was on his radar for a while, and he ended up getting one. You got a cracker deal on that on the 2019 model. It's a special, so it comes with all like the little pods down here, and it's got what looks to be the ST CVO front wheel. Pretty cool. Crocodile skin looking seat. Yeah, all the fruit. I'll give it a bit here. Enough to get you in trouble. Back down Broughton Pass. See down there, pretty cool. this one vehicle bridge. I actually love the noise of this, but a bit more volume would be good. Let me know what you think, which is a better sounding engine, the Milwaukee 8 or twin cam. The old school carby twin cams, they just sound, like, even without cams, they sound really good. They got that good idle. Some cows. Yeah, you could say I live out in the sticks too, I guess. Oh, we're just on the outskirts of town. Actually, the local pub usually at this time of day on the weekend has a lot of bikes, so we'll just do a little quick lap past there and have a look, see if there's anything there worth having a look at. Bikes here. Old Kingswood. It's a bit of a crowd, but oh, there's a breakout. Older one, 19-ish. Anyway, I'm not going to show you guys where I live, but yeah, if you enjoyed this one, leave a like, and yeah, comment what you'd like to see on this bike. Different sets of pipes, air ride, any recommendations, leave it in the comments. Subscribe if you feel like it, if you enjoyed, because I'll probably do a couple more moto vlogs. If it was crap, let me know as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.